In a shocking turn of events, former FBI Director James Comey now faces serious charges that have sparked nationwide debate. A federal grand jury recently indicted him on counts of lying to Congress and obstructing justice, a move that President Trump hailed as a victory for justice in America. This development comes nearly a decade after the controversial Russiagate investigation, raising questions about accountability in high-ranking government roles. Comey, 64, is the highest-ranking former federal official to be charged in connection with the FBI's long-running probe into alleged Russian collusion with Trump's 2016 campaign. If convicted, he could face up to 5 years in prison. According to CNN, he is expected to surrender to authorities Friday. The case is being handled by District Judge Michael Nachmanoff, a Biden appointee, who will preside over his arraignment on October 9th in Alexandria, Virginia. Comey has hired former federal prosecutor Patrick Fitzgerald to defend him. Trump, in a scathing post on Truth Social, called Comey one of the worst human beings this country has ever known, arguing that the indictment marks the beginning of holding him accountable for his actions. "Make America great again," he declared, framing the case as a moral imperative. The indictment hinges on a pivotal moment during Comey's 2020 Senate Judiciary Committee testimony. Senator Ted Cruz questioned Comey about whether he authorized leaks related to the Trump investigation or the Hillary Clinton email probe. Comey denied authorizing such actions, but prosecutors argue that his statements were false. They claim he had actually authorized an anonymous source to leak information, a detail he later tried to downplay. This legal battle highlights a deeper tension, the balance between executive authority and congressional oversight. As U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan stated, "The balance of power is a bedrock of our democracy. Any attempt to evade accountability is a violation of the law." Attorney General Pam Bondi emphasized that the Department of Justice is committed to holding those in power accountable for misleading the public. But here's where it gets controversial. Should former officials be held accountable for past actions, even if they were in high positions? Comey's case also raises questions about the role of the judiciary in political disputes. Critics argue that the indictment may be politically motivated, while supporters say it's a necessary step to restore public trust in institutions. The controversy deepens as Trump recently pressured Attorney General Pam Bondi to pursue charges against Comey, Senator Adam Schiff, and New York Attorney General Letitia James. In a deleted Truth Social post, Trump accused these figures of guilt as hell, but nothing being done, sparking outrage among some supporters. Meanwhile, Comey's son-in-law resigned as a federal prosecutor, claiming he did so to uphold my oath to the Constitution. As the legal battle unfolds, one thing remains clear. The case has become a flashpoint for debates about justice, accountability, and the role of the federal government. What do you think? Is it fair to hold former officials accountable for past actions, or should the focus be on current behavior? The answer may lie in the courtroom and the choices we make as a society.